still there? To delete this message, press 7. To save it in the archives, press 9. To hear more options, press 0.
What are you talking about?
What's up, guys? So I was walking Gohan this morning, and we passed this entryway to the ravine really close by our house, and bring you there right now. So there's actually several of these entryways into this ravine, which is, I mean, it's a pretty cool location, and it basically is just a pathway for bikers, joggers, and people who walk it up to enjoy vitamin D. But yeah, I came across this place earlier today, and it got me thinking. The planet has become a little more beautiful in terms of humans staying in for like several months. And it's really good for the planet. So when I took a look at this and I saw that there's a whole bunch of plastic pieces just laying all over, I'm like, who in our neighborhood is gonna go through the effort of cleaning this up? Probably no one. So I'm just gonna take initiative and do it myself. I brought some plastic bags and a mask, some gloves, and I'm gonna set you guys down and we're just gonna crush this, man. Try to clean this place up for the neighbor and mostly for our planet, because, you know, let's all do our job and play our parts. It's just like random plastic all over. So let's just throw on educational video on YouTube. Let's learn for the next hour and clean up. I just got some gross brown liquid in my eye. I have no idea what that was. But this is almost full and it's only been like 5 minutes. You guys should see down there. Bros. People are probably looking at me like, what the hell is this kid doing? Okay, I'm telling you, man. Look at this. It collects all the way down. So we'll just keep at it. Of plastic. This place is looking clean. Oh, there's one more. Oh. Look at that. Just collects, man. But so much cleaner. I don't even know why I'm doing this. COVID is changing people. All right. Just in time, it's garbage day. Okay, I'm done. So we don't even have the Supra yet, but I did handle all my insurance today. And I think in a little bit, I'm gonna go to the registry and actually get my license plate for the thing. But our first part has already arrived, or parts I should say. Show you guys what's in here. What these are TRD carbon fiber parts, and I got them straight from the source. So I got these for less than wholesale price, and they arrived in less than a week. I might actually try and partner up with these guys and see if I can sell these on the Kings Must Rise web store for anyone who owns the A90. But let's open them up and show you guys the quality of them. What the? This kid's just like chilling here. Bruh. You need attention? Like, what the heck? The only Supra A90 I've seen rocking these is the red Rays Racing Supra. So that's how I got the idea. Super high quality. Wow. Beautiful. Okay, put these aside. What this is it's a door garnish. This flexes. Go on, out of the way, bro. Our first A90 Supra parts are here, guys. What? That looks sick. So we got the rear apron. This looks like an easy install, just a couple of bolts. And this is a carbon fiber door garnish. So I know Sabon has their own version of this, but these are both TRD. Fortunately, I was able to get these for less than wholesale price because I found the source. This isn't just like a cover. This actually replaces the OEM piece that is on the A90's door. So you can see on the back, there's all the proper holes for the bolts and stuff. And I think it looks like you actually slide it in, but not entirely sure. We'll have to wait until we get the Supra here to install any of these parts anyway. But for now, what? What do you want? I'm making a video, okay? Give me like 5 minutes, bro. Come on, man. Come on, man. This kid needs attention. I'm gonna do a quick mini showcase. Okay, man, I got it. Okay, I'm going. Let's go. This is light as F. Sweet dogs. Woo. That sounds nice. All right, heading over to Joyride Automotive with Shane, and we're actually picking up the MX3. It is in good running condition. We can actually drive it. See you there. All right, Ken, thank you again. Always fixing our problems, basically, man. This guy's been through a lot with our car, and we're matching today. All right, let's test this out. Said it might need a new battery, but other than that, everything else, it was just the clutch hose was leaking. So there was absolutely no clutch fluid. The clutch just gave in. I thought it was like a loose clutch fork, like my FRS problem, but all right, my mans. Oh yeah, it needs a boost, dude. Nice. Beautiful, thank you.
How's that pedal?
So much better, man. Yeah, way better. All right, saviors. Okay, let's bring this puppy home. Finally. Hey. Okay, so the other day I was scrolling on the Facebook Marketplace and I actually found an MX3 for like 1,500 bucks that was already swapped with a KLZE engine. That was like the same amount that we spent on fixing up this car. But now this car is in perfect running condition, other than it needs a new battery. So not really perfect. But the drive home, dude, this thing has a little bit of kick. For its time, the MX3 was a really nice sports car. This in particular was a 1992, so still had the old looking dash, and the 93 had the more futuristic looking alien spaceship style dash, which is the one that I prefer. But I mean, this I got for like $1,200, I think, and it's been through 3 winters now, but we've already spent a lot than we would have wanted to on trying to fix her up. So now just gonna try to fix her up a little more and sell her off because I'm over the MX3. Too many cars. All right, we're at the garage now and doing a little bit of cleaning. Shane and Sunny helping out. Thanks, bros. All right, so the plan is, basically, this is our spring cleaning. I am taking the FRS home today. And we're just gonna make some space in here. Really kind of prepare the space. That way we can have this garage door open all summer long and just have nice garage nights with our friends, you know? Just shoot the shit. Hey, we got power. Okay, I'm gonna start this thing. Not enough juice. Yeah, fuck. Push the FRS out and get Shane to boost us with his G37. try 7 billion and a half. What? Bro, something's not connecting because it's not even going on.
That's,
The display. That's all it needed.
I think I just like moved it.
Hey, we got power. I hope that the battery doesn't die on us. It probably will by tomorrow, but yo, Sonny, thank you. Appreciate it, man. Go ahead. You said it, man. For the vlog, for the vlog. Yeah, first of all, this was the previous people who rented this house. They needed wheelchair access. So this was actually a ramp that kind of wrapped around the garage. And that explains this 2x4 slanted there. But we can take that out. But this comfortably fits 2 cars. But you can still move back even a tiny bit too. You have a foot. No, this is good, man. You can work on cars comfortably in here with 2 still. Yeah, okay, so we have these lights we got from the garage. And these are Bluetooth. So you can actually play music off the lights. And we got 2 of them. So the plan is these LEDs look like that are going to be hanging, maybe one down there for this car and another one here, and it's just going to provide more lighting closer to the vehicles, especially at night. But I mean, these LEDs actually made such a huge difference. And we also have the ability to just plaster more cheap tube lights on the walls here, because there are outlets everywhere. One there, one over there, and then a few up there as well. So really convenient for plugging shit in. But yeah, man, we gotta make space for our new babies, Shane. Yeah. Oh my goodness, you guys just wait, bro. Okay, fast forward, okay? We actually took the effort to clean this place up, like sweeped it, got rid of all the junk. We literally called 1-800-JUNK to get rid of the junk, and now it's actually a nice workable space. And it feels like you know where everything is.
We'll just leave these in here for now.
Yeah, find another day to install them. Extend, like I don't know how long these are, but we can get chains long enough so that they're like low, almost like head height. Cool, man. Okay, good job, man. Good day's work.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, it's all good. Hey guys, day, I don't even know, whatever. Probably the second day into remodeling our at-home garage. I got more lighting fixtures. These are pretty cheap, just like 20 bucks. Just about to test it here. Boom. Ooh, that's pretty bright. And we got a ladder, which I'm kind of judging now isn't even tall enough for the garage, but we're gonna be installing those light fixtures in the garage today. So these 2, as well as the ones that I showed you the other day, which have like Bluetooth speakers built into them. I ended up going to Canadian Tire to pick all of this up, as well as chains. We're gonna be installing them a little above the cars, but not so low that you're gonna hit your head on it. So go to the garage. These 2 lights we just replaced are decent, and you can also turn on the middle garage LED light, but I still don't think it's enough, especially at night. So, and for the cars that we're gonna be bringing in here for the next couple of months, we're gonna need better lighting. And also it's for you guys, it's just gonna look nicer for when we're working at cars here, as opposed to the garage. Chain, some attachments. All right, let us check this out. Oh man, you should be doing this with fucking slippers. Okay. Oh, sweet. This is actually in place. So I think I am just gonna drill a couple of hooks into this, and then we'll run the chain on both sides. So I got these extension cords. The only way we're gonna have power on these is to connect it to that one outlet in the center right there. I'm just gonna do all my measurements, get myself set up, and put all the mounting brackets on the light fixtures, as well as cut the chains to length, and then we'll just install everything. Should take less than 30 minutes. Again, I'm no professional installer. This is just how I've learned through process. Oh, and I'm thinking for those smaller lights that I just bought, we're just gonna place them on this wall somewhere, probably vertically. That's gonna look sweet. Go on, what the heck are you doing, dude? Come here, hey, go on. All right, let's do this. this a test. Oh my god, that's bright. Holy mother. And this one. Yo! Oh, that's bright. Whoa. Okay, gotta adjust the camera a bit. Yeah, no, this is good. Awesome lighting, bro. Now, I think we just need some lighting in the back area over there. I installed those mini lights, which I said we're gonna go on this wall, but I think that would have made this area way too bright. Yeah.
Got it all rigged up there, did you?
Hell yeah, brother.
So much more lighting up front.
Even if you're just working with one car.
Yeah, it could be like in the middle, easier, right?
Yeah, just because, you know, your Mustang is a little bit bigger than this, so it's gonna just kidding.
Just don't pull it too hard.
I know. Well, I trust that, but yeah, you're right. Just don't pull it too hard or...
And just like hold it and pull it. Right?
Yeah.
2 hands.
So much better. And that's what it looks like underneath the ramp. And voila. These you can, yeah, I guess, just don't pull too hard. If I turn this off, this is what it looks like. This is just way too dark. We're done here, guys. Let's go pick up the Supra.